Hey guys, Kat here with WTI. I'm here with the YETI 20-ounce tumbler in black. I absolutely love this thing because I'm on the go all the time. What's great about this is it fits in any standard size cup holder. So literally if I'm in a rush out the door, I can grab this, bring it with me, and I'm good to go. It's made of double wall vacuum insulation, so that's what keeps your drinks hot for a long time and what keeps your cold drinks cold for a long time. It's also made of stainless steel, it's really durable, and it's dishwasher safe, so it makes it really easy to clean. And what's great about this is the lid part here. So this is a magnet and it pops off really easily, and that's what makes the top of the lid so easy to clean, which I love. So if you're looking for a really durable tumbler that actually keeps your drinks hot and cold for a long time, I highly recommend this YETI 20-ounce tumbler. And that's my point of view.